This is really a robot.
Yep.
Okay, it opens. Elon.
Oh, whoa, you're just barging in?
Oh.
You were supposed to knock, Dan.
You said open it.
I said knock.
Sorry.
I literally said,
I'm sorry, I got
knock
caught
on
up with the
door.
robot. Yeah!
Where are we?
It looks so lifelike.
Welcome to Motorized Precision. Come on in.
Woo! Wow, you know, that's what you do, Dan. You knock and then they let you in.
Battle bots.
Wow.
We actually have it stripped down right now for this to make more room for you guys. Yeah, so this is our newest line of robot. This is the Colossus.
What in the
I'm
world?
sorry, but this is really a robot.
Yep.
No.
Where's
it's-
the face? Where's the hand?
We hide those in the back.
Oh, you hide them. Also,
Yeah.
this is part of the robot. All right.
So our arms are industrial robot arms, and we kind of get them, paint them, and make them used for cinema.
Can I touch?
Go for it. There we go.
Oh, baby.
what?
He's the main star of most of our videos. So yeah, let's look around.
Tell us a bit about what you guys do here.
Sure. So we're gonna have to wait for this train. We're right next to the train.
Rick,
This is crazy.
this is technology
Look at this,
right
3D.
here.
3 axes.
That is the biggest fan I've ever seen in my life.
That thing falls, I'm gone
It's
with
scary.
Yoda.
What we do here is we make software. We're a software company, even though there's a bunch of hardware around us. Our software is right here next to us called MP Studio. MP Studio is our control software that allows us to move these robots. We use an Xbox controller.
What?
So you unlock the robot and then you can start jogging it around, do a move around in here. And then you can set keyframes on our timeline and then play them back. Kira can move very fast, 4 meters a second. So it can just whip and follow people.
Is that fast, Rick?
Yeah.
So Colossus can move close to 6 meters a second. And then the track system adds about 4 meters on top of that if you had them all combined together.
We make our dream reality today.
We'll try.
Robot does kickflip.
But we also have an LED wall that we're playing with, so virtual production Mandalorian style, which is why that baby Grogu is here.
But my one dying question is, what does the red button do?
Stops the robot if you really are in trouble.
This is above our pay grade, brother.
very above our pay grade.
So this is Kira 2.0. This is the robot that we'll be putting the Phantom Miro on today. And it can move 4 meters per second and has a reach just over 2 meters or 6'7" in reach from center out. So you can get almost about a 12-foot move going in. So what we'll probably do is a lot of low to high shots or trying to follow in an orbit or things like that today and just try to see the wheels spinning as you guys are flying through the air.
All right, so we have entered into the technological advanced world. We're gonna film some skating. We've got the high-speed, super slow motion camera. It shoots 1,000 frames per second.
Oh, we got the camera attached.
The Phantom camera. But yeah, we just gotta organize it. Let's go see.
Beyond slow motion
What up,
himself.
dudes? You guys are in Portland. You're here.
Made it.
This is sick. This is sick. We have the robot arms. Like, I cannot believe you guys are actually going to hear at the same time we get to do the robot arms. These are like a dream for me to work with. I've loved whenever I can get out and work with these things. We're going to get some mind-blowing shots today.
Here you go, sir.
I love you.
You gotta stay hydrated.
Did you take us through what they're doing here, boss?
They're connecting all of the connectivities.
Yeah.
Team's real stoked out here. You better land the best hard flip of your life today.
I'm gonna hard flip. That's like the one trick I was thinking about. That or like back 360 no comply, I think would look really cool. All right, we are just hacking into the mainframe. Very complicated, very technical. And then I think we're gonna see the robot in action, Gabriel. That's what I wanna see.
All right, Rick, we got the lights on.
All right, lights on is always a fantastic sign that we're getting close. So what's interesting is like, I think they definitely have to like calculate the weight of the camera and all that kind of stuff.
So like right now it's 14, we're telling it's 14 kilogram mass. It's probably not, it's probably like a 10-pound mass. So if we do 10 lbs, 4.54. So even if I put this at 6 kilograms, now the robot knows that it's 6 kilograms on there. So we'll be tuning all the motors and everything. You
I
good,
hear
Malo?
the hum of electricity.
I love that you can control this from an Xbox controller.
Yeah.
Yo. This is mind-blowing.
It is. I think one of the things that's gonna be really fun is we get shots where like just start up close on something that's detailed, like a face or like a product or something, and then you back out to get like a perspective shot of somebody doing a trick, but all seamlessly without having to do cuts.
You're up. Don't let Uzi
I'm
snake
not.
you. Go get it.
Like right here, something like this. Around that.
Emphasize that front foot catch,
Oh.
because the way that it'll be filmed is gonna look insane. TikTok, Rick.
Haven't you seen
They
Terminator
got
1?
me on my toes, Rick. I'm nervous.
It's some of the most unique footage that you'll see. I mean, in period. This is some of the stuff that you see in like major like food commercials and stuff, but we're using it today to film like skate tricks.
Alright, we're just trying to work it out right now.
So what we're doing here is we know that Glow is going to be moving and popping in a roughly the same spot each time for this trick, and we're going to set like an in frame right where he's popping, and then we're going to see approximately where he's going to land, and have the end keyframe show up there. And basically, you set the keyframes to match like the peak moments of movement in the shots.
So I'm going to run through where I think what we want to do. So it's going to come around.
I'm a little bit nervous, Gabriel.
We'll just try one, and then we'll see what happens. You're ready on the pickle there? I went
Was that-
pretty late in there. So
That
hopefully
looked
it-
crazy.
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. That was perfect.
Cool. That was better.
Right on the pop, though, and it starts moving is really cool.
Dude, it's weird how your back foot gets on the board.
I don't even know how I do that trick. It just works.
Better work on that pop, Rick.
Well, you can probably good. We're gonna up the ante a little bit on the height.
$100 billion camera
Don't you
arm.
dare hurt Grogu, Rick.
Rogu?
That's his name.
Really? Do you reckon you can kick it that high? I mean, surely.
Honestly, if you hit him and land it, that might even be cool.
How high is this, Gabriel? It's hard staging.
Oh. Oh.
Shane looking.
Yo. You watch The Mandalorian?
No, I don't like Star Wars. This is what I want to do. I want to do everything. Every time I see something new, I'm like, that's what I want to do.
Watch those shins, Rick.
Foot onto the shin. Bah,
Hey,
bah.
your shin's not coming back from Robot.
Yeah, I can survive wood, but I don't know about robot.
This thing's gonna start a movement going from like left to right. We want you to start moving basically when it's like getting closer to like the end of that first little like in and out movement. So we want to get you on the outward movement starting your kickflip. So it's gonna be like a
Okay.
precise thing. We're probably gonna have to do it a few times.
Yeah. Should I panic?
Absolutely. You should be in terror. If you don't land this,
Okay.
Yoda's gonna kill you.
Okay.
Meaning Baby
Okay,
Yoda's
okay.
gonna have you
Gonna
head
get
for this.
me.
Baby Yoda's the least of your worries. If you hit that camera, Gabe Cruz is gonna have a heart attack and probably
I know.
die.
Me too.
But yeah, no.
Yeah, we'll get the timing. We'll do some ollies. I could even just roll next to it, and then we can think about the timing.
The ollie is going to be super important on this one because like you're going to need to get a feel for like the spacing on this. No kicking out.
Yeah, for sure.
No kicking out. That's
For
the
sure,
only
for sure.
tricks you're comfortable with.
Yeah.
Rock on. You got this, dude.
Let's
It's gonna
go.
be sick.
All right.
Oh. Do not run out of momentum. Maintain momentum. Hey, first tee, Rick, you got it.
So you're going to go off of us. In 3, 2, 1, go. That was amazing. I feel like we might have missed just a tiny bit on the doll, but we'll find out in playback.
So insane.
Yeah, straight up. He's about to drop
That's
some
where
fire beats.
that's where I think we would start to see him.
Do you? Oh.
So we should get another light with like a gel down there with a really crazy color. And
How's my ollie looking?
Everything is way cooler in slow motion.
I like skate.
Ricky, this is viral.
You got a hole in your jacket, Mo.
This is my favorite one.
Oh! No! Rick! You had one jaw!
I'm sorry, Yoda. I'm sorry. Dang.
Oh! No! What kind of kickflip was that, Rick? Come on! Oh! Wow! Good flip, Rick. Good flip. Dang. Oh, brother. Yes, Rick.
Let's go.
Yes,
I like
Rick.
Skate up in the lights.
Oh. Wow.
Perfect timing.
Yeah, that was
Wow.
amazing.
Perfect.
I'm hyped on that.
Get it, JD, you're next.
Hey, Gabriel, that was stressful, brother.
Yeah, I
We're on
know.
the film set. Hey, I was.
Hey,
Gonna hurt, man. That kickflip was fast.
we're not filming YouTube right now. We're on a film set, Mo.
This is amazing. Technically, we're in our first movie.
We're on our 4,800th upload, but it is also our first movie.
So the last time we were here, we mounted swords to one robot and then had another separate robot filming the camera that like the robot with the sword, and we were just like slicing iPhones and stuff.
Yep, look at that flick. Nice. Oh.
So what's interesting about this is the way that Chris catches his hard flips. He turns his feet like 90 to catch it and swipes it down. He kind of like sweeps with his hard flip. So we're doing this going the opposite direction of where he's moving. So he'll catch it where the camera's closest and then sweep it far away so that it just snaps away from the, it'll look really fast and dramatic doing it this way. It just makes it look like 10 times faster, 10 times gnarlier. Let's get it.
That felt really weird, but I landed both, so we're
Goodness.
Dang,
Damn,
framing
dude.
is perfect. Almost left the screen. Yeah,
Damn, dude.
I like that a lot. You nailed that.
Oh my gosh.
The orange wheels too.
Yo, good choice on the wheels, Dan. That is sick. Yeah.
That's sick.
Nice, Dan. All right, let's save that up. Get Mowgli in there. Maybe save that if he was in frame. Wow.
Fully flared out here. Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
Timing on this one.
Dang, Mo.
All right, well, that was completely insane. Huge thanks to Sean at Motorized Precision. Thank you so much for showing us, of course, this amazing technology and keep killing it, keep doing all the amazing things. Thank you so much to Darren for the Phantom operation and the amazing, beautiful slow-mo shots. You guys make a fantastic team out here. You can follow both of them with their links in the description.
Where can we find you?
MotorizedPrecision.com, same on Instagram at Motorized Precision.
You can find me on YouTube at Scapo, S-K-A-P-O, or on Instagram and TikTok as Skate Physics. I do all kinds of ultra slow motion breakdowns on amazing skateboarding and just get really into the details of how skateboarding works. It's some fun stuff if you want to check it out.
Well, that was completely amazing, guys. I can't believe we made it out here. Leave it in the comments. What crazy things should we do next? Because this is real life. We are out here doing it. There are some videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave it in those comments below. We want you to learn how to skateboard. We have everything you need on the Braille Army Plus membership. Let's go.